Okay, before you watch this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click on that subscribe button, okay? I have a problem with me here under pressure, okay? What is even pressure? Pressure is just the perpendicular force per unit area, okay? So let me quickly run down this problem on the board. It is very, very simple. Very, very simple. The first thing you need to do, but don't forget to subscribe. The first thing you need to do is to bring out the parameters sequentially from the question on the board, okay? So solution to this particular problem. I have the solution. Okay, I'm going to start from the beginning and bring out the parameters. Calculate the pressure exerted on the ground by a person weighing 50 grams. That means the pressure, I'm looking for pressure. My pressure is what? Unknown. On a ground by a person weighing 50 grams. That means my mass is given. My mass is what? 50 grams. Whose 2 feet covers an area of 500 centimeters square. That's my area is equals to what? 500 centimeters square. 500 centimeters square. If the man stands on 1 foot, what is the new pressure? That means this one is P1, but the new pressure is what? P2 is what? Also unknown. He exerts on the ground. Okay, this is just the parameters on this particular problem. So let's proceed. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check, is there anything I'm going to convert on this particular parameters on the board? Yes. I can't leave my mass in grams, so I'm going to change my mass from gram to kilogram, which is 50 divided by 1000. 50 divided by what? 1000. Okay, this will go, this will go. I'll have my 5 divided by 100 is what? 0.05. 5 divided by 100. I have my 0.05. I have my 0.05 kilogram. The next thing I'm going to do, I can't leave my area in centimeter square, so I'm going to change it to meter square. What am I going to do? I'll divide my 500 over 100 times 100. Okay, so this will go, this will go. So I'll have my 0.05. See, divided by 100, I'll have 0.05 meter square. So this is my my area, okay? This is my area. So my area is now 0.05 meters square. So I changed it from 500 centimeters square to 0.05 meter square, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do on this particular problem on the board, what is now my formula for pressure, okay? So my formula for pressure is my pressure, which is P, is equals to my force over my area, okay? So this force is also unknown, and that's the reason why my mass is given. So my gravity needs to be there. I have my 10 meter per second square. That means the force I'm going to use, the force that acts on gravity, which is where my F is equals to mg. So my F is equals to 0.05 times 10. So my F is equals to 0.05 times 10. I have my 0.5 Newton. So my force is known. So I'm able to find my my pressure. So my pressure now, which is P, is equals to my force is 0.5 over my area is 0.05, which is 0.5 divided by 0.05. What will I get? I'll now have 10 Newton per meter square. Okay, so I'm done solving for my first pressure that we're told to calculate. The next one, which is very important, the now said what is the new pressure he exerts on the ground if the man stands on 1 foot, which is very important. This simply means that the man is standing on 2 feet. So what is the pressure if the man is standing on 1 foot? That means my area, this area that is given, which is 0.05 meters square. I need to divide it by 2 because the man is standing on one particular foot. So what will I have? I'll have my 0.05 divided by 2. I'll have my 0.025 meters square. So this is my area when the man is standing on one particular foot. So my new pressure now equals to my force over my area. So my P is equals to my force is 0.025. No, my force is 0.5. Sorry about that. 0.5 divide my area is 0.025. So what will I get? 0.5, which is my force, divide by 0.025. So I have my 20 Newton per meter square. So my new pressure that we were told to find is 20 Newton per meter square. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Thank you so much.